DJI's Pocket line has become the go-to pocketable gimbal camera for creators, and the Pocket 4 just landed with real upgrades over its predecessor. But there's already buzz about a Pocket 4P variant on the horizon too. I'm breaking down what we actually know about both to help you figure out where to put your money. Let's get into it. New to Tech B. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. The DJI Pocket 4 is the currently available pick, delivering DJI's latest refinements to the Pocket line in a truly pocketable, gimbal-stabilized camera that's actually purchasable right now. The standout is the combination of DJI's continuously improved gimbal stabilization and a sharper sensor than previous generations, which delivers noticeably smoother, more detailed footage straight out of the box, a real advantage for anyone who wants professional-feeling stabilization without carrying a full gimbal rig. The compact, pocket-sized form factor makes it truly easy to carry everywhere, whether you're vlogging, traveling, or capturing spontaneous moments, and the improved battery life covers longer shooting sessions than earlier Pocket models managed. The touchscreen interface makes framing and reviewing footage straightforward without needing a separate phone connection for basic shots, though the companion app unlocks deeper editing and control features when you want them. The upgraded microphone array captures noticeably clearer audio than previous generations, addressing one of the more common complaints about earlier Pocket cameras. DJI's continued investment and iteration on this product line, now several generations deep, backs the refinement and reliability you're getting with a mature, well-supported product rather than a first-generation gamble. The accessory ecosystem built up around the Pocket line, including wide-angle lenses, extension rods, and various mounts, also means you're buying into a truly established system, rather than starting from scratch, and third-party accessory support tends to follow quickly once a new Pocket model ships. The vertical shooting mode and quick social media export options also make this a truly practical tool for creators who post primarily to platforms like Instagram or TikTok, where footage needs to move from camera to phone to upload with minimal friction. For anyone who wants a proven, currently purchasable, pocketable camera with DJI's latest improvements, and who wants that camera in hand today rather than waiting on an uncertain future release, the Pocket 4 is the pick that's actually available right now. The DJI Pocket 4 delivers real, currently available, gimbal-stabilized performance you can buy right now. And the price in the description reflects that proven, mature product line. Check the link below and grab it today. Available now. Truly refined. Worth being upfront that the DJI Pocket 4P is not officially available for purchase yet. It hasn't launched on Amazon or through DJI's official retail channels, and the link here simply points to DJI's general homepage rather than a real product listing, since no dedicated page exists at this time. Everything about the 4P at this stage should be treated as anticipated or rumored rather than confirmed. And pricing, exact specs, and availability could all change or simply not materialize as expected before any official announcement. Based on how DJI has historically differentiated P or Pro tier variants within other product lines, the general expectation is that a Pocket 4P would build on the standard Pocket 4 with some combination of an upgraded sensor, extended zoom or lens options, longer battery life, or additional professional-oriented features aimed at more serious content creators. But none of this is confirmed by DJI directly as of this video. If you're specifically waiting for a Pro tier Pocket camera with more advanced features, it may be worth holding off and monitoring DJI's official announcements rather than acting on unofficial rumors or early leaks. Buying decisions should really be based on confirmed, available products rather than speculation about hardware that hasn't been formally announced or priced. For anyone considering the Pocket line right now, the responsible move is treating the Pocket 4P as a watch this space rather than a purchase option, and reassessing once DJI actually confirms real specs, pricing, and a launch date through official channels. It's also worth remembering that not every rumored variant DJI fans speculate about actually ships. Sometimes a rumored Pro model never materializes at all, or arrives with a different name or feature set than the initial leaks suggested. So treating any pre-announcement information as directional at best, rather than something to plan a purchase around, is the more sensible approach until DJI says otherwise. The DJI Pocket 4P is not yet officially available. There's no confirmed product listing or pricing to check, so we'd recommend waiting for DJI's official announcement before making any purchase decision here. If this breakdown just helped you decide whether to buy now or wait, tap that subscribe button. It keeps us making honest reviews every week. The DJI Pocket 4 link is in the description and available to buy right now. The Pocket 4P isn't officially available yet, so there's nothing to link to there beyond DJI's own site. So do you buy the currently available Pocket 4 or wait to see what the rumored 4P actually turns out to be? Drop your take below and subscribe to TechB for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.